Hello and welcome. This is our online lecture about construction and industry in the course System Safety and Risk Management.
Throughout history, the occupational environment has evolved in response to research, catastrophes, or illnesses that have prompted change. For example, in 1932, we see construction workers building a high-rise in New York. Notice the lack of safety gear as the workers appear fearless of the heights.
According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, construction leads all industries in total worker death. Falls from roof constitute the leading cause for work-related fatalities in the industry. From CDC, Centers for Disease Control, shows for every 10,000 roofers, 52 suffered non-fatal injuries. For every 100,000 full-time roofers, about 24 were killed by falls per year. And finally, more than 150,000 Americans require medical treatment as a result of roofing accidents every year.
When it comes to key safety approaches, we should ask ourselves, what is the best way to protect roofers from hazard at the workplace? Established and often encountered method is hierarchy of controls. First, depending on the operational context, we must aim to identify hazards, be able to assess and prioritize between them.
The most effective control is eradicate the threat.
Next is substitute/passive measures.
And then engineering active measures.
Next is administrative measures.
Next is behavior.
The least effective one is personal protective equipment. All the stages are included in a safety culture concept.
Examples of eradicate the threat could be to bring the work to the ground or to solid construction, and this could be accomplished by redesigning the workplace to eliminate the heights.
Examples of substitution/passive measures include barriers and guardrails. These are highly beneficial since they require low skills and training requirements.
The work restraint system is next option in the hierarchy to mitigate the possibility of a fall. Companies can implement work restraints such as ground cushions, better hand foot placement options, weather barriers, ladders, and scaffolding nets that protect the workers from falling to the ground.
Administrative measures can include safety policies, best practices, checklist, and also fault tree analysis. This stage should also be implemented during the planning stage for sustainable work.
So don't we need to be locked out and tagged out on this?
Don't worry about that. It'll take longer to lock and tag this out than it will to pop that up and in. Let's just hurry and get it done. Come on.
Hey, Brandon and Zach, we need to lock and tag out every time. There's a safer way to do this. We all want to go home safe tonight, so let's go lock it out.
Personal protective equipment should be the last option in a hierarchy of control. This is because options higher up in the triangle are more effective and sustainable for reducing risk at work. Examples of personal protective equipment include fall harnesses, lanyards, anchor points, helmets, gloves, or padded clothing.
Possible consequences of using personal protection equipment include equipment failure, human error, and you have to have a rescue plan.
Thank you for watching.